Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making shrimp fried rice. Here I have some shrimp. I already washed it, dried it. And here I have garlic, 5 cloves of garlic, piece of ginger, 1 wee pepper from our garden, some red onions, and lots of green onions from our garden. Look at that. Nice and fresh from the garden. Peppers, green onion from the garden, and bora from our garden too. And we have some carrot cut ups here, 1 corn, looking very nice, fresh. Everything is fresh. See, everything is so fresh. And I have some leftover basmati rice here, looking good. For the shrimp, I added half a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, tech mix, 1 teaspoon, garlic powder, half a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of sugar. Mixing the shrimp up with the seasoning. Adding some fine thyme from our garden, nice and fresh. I just picked them. Shrimp's looking good. Adding the oil. Using the wok today. Adding the shrimp. Looking nice. Didn't cook shrimp fried rice for a long time, so today I feel like eat shrimp fried rice because I have some leftover basmati rice. So today I'm making some shrimp fried rice with lots of fresh vegetables. Everything looking so fresh. I'm gonna add some more bora from my fridge because I already cut up some more. Everything is so fresh. Making the sauce for the fried rice, I have 1.5 teaspoon of soy sauce, dark soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of Chinese sauce. Chinese sauce is all the way from Guyana. Big up to my cousin. She gave this to me when she came. Tastes so good in fried rice and chow mein. 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mixing everything here. This I'll add to the rice at the end to make nice color and taste good. Shrimps is looking good. Looks nice. So I'll remove the shrimp now. Looks good. So in the same pan, I'll add the ginger, garlic, green onion, peppers. Add in the carrot. Add in the corn. Add in the green onion. Add in the bora. Add in the bora now. Fresh from our garden. Nice colors. Add in half a teaspoon Chinese 5 spice. That's the one here. One teaspoon fried rice seasoning. Half a teaspoon of salt. Add in some red onion. Give it a better color. Looks really nice, the color now. This is the fried rice seasoning I'm using. Tastes really good in fried rice. It's a new one, just came out. I brought this from Guyana when I came. Really nice. Vegetable looks so nice. The color, so nice. Add in the shrimp. Add in the rice. This is leftover basmati rice I had from yesterday. Add in the sauce that I made. Add in 1 teaspoon of fried rice seasoning. Smelling good. Nice color too. Smells so good. I love the color. Now I'll add some more green onion. All this from our garden. We have so much green onion. So I'll be cooking with lots of green onion now. Green onion, give it a nice color. Shrimp's fried rice looks so nice. Oh my god, look at the color. Fried rice looks so good. Smells so nice. Cooking fried rice in a wok, it tastes so much better when it's very hot. So I'll do a little taste test. I'll grab some corn, shrimp. Looks nice. Tastes so good. I love the flavor. Tastes so nice. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you like how it turns out. Fried rice looks so good. Tastes so good too. I had a taste. Tastes so nice. Love the color. Thank you so much. Bye for now.